How to change media auto download settings to Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and now tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the storage and data option you see there. Further, under the media auto download option you see there, tap on the photos option and then tap on the Wi-Fi and cellular option or Wi-Fi option. Now, go back and select the video option and then tap on the Wi-Fi option or the Wi-Fi and cellular option. And with this, photos and videos will be downloaded automatically. You can also tap on the auto download quality option you see there and then tap on the HD quality option or the standard option based on your preference to select the quality for the photos and videos to be downloaded automatically. So, this is how you can change media download quality on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.